Preview.
So the next DIY is to create lemon bath scrub. So the ingredients that we need are 1 cup of raw sugar, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 to 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, a cute jar. So here I am taking a big bowl. Now I am putting a 1 cup of raw sugar. I am using sugar because it is gentle on your skin, it smells great and lead to better muscle relaxation. All in all, there are several scrub benefits that help in excellent skin. Now I am using a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can also use olive oil. Now I'll mix it up very properly without any lumps in it. If you feel that it is becoming too lumpy, you can use your fork to push all the lumps out. Oil here plays a very important role. It soothes your skin, removes all the dirt cells and your dead skin. I feel that it is too lumpy, so I'm using my fork and I'm just pushing it down to remove all my lumps. Sugar is called a good exfoliator because it removes all your dead cells and your dead skin. Moving ahead, for smell, I'm gonna use lemon juice. So I'm taking a 1 spoon. Actually 2 tablespoons, and I'm just mixing it. This will give a good aroma to my scrub. Now taking on the lemon essence, I'll take approximately 10 drops. So here you go. If you feel that your recipe is too dry, so you can put all, or if you feel that it's too oily, so you have to put sugar. As I feel that my recipe is too oily, so I'll add some sugar. So here I have my granulated sugar, so I'll just put 1 tablespoon or less than that, and I'll give it a quick stir. To mix all your ingredients very properly, I'll use my hands. This will be too messy, but no problem, the output will be great. Like I said, I'll use my hand, and when you will touch or when you will feel it, you will understand that this consistency is the best for your skin. So yeah, actually I'm done. So here I have my zest. I'll put a pinch, a large pinch actually, and stir a bit. You have to cut and then you have to fold, then cut, and then fold, then cut and then fold. And here you go, you are done. Now you have to put this into a very cute bowl. you can give this to your mom, you can give this to your sister or your family mates. And I'll put off the lid. This is your final output. So yeah guys, this was it for the video. I hope you have liked the video, and if you have done so, please comment down and tell me which DIY was your favorite. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like the video if you like it. Till then, XOXO, bye bye.